Good morning. It is the start of a new week, which means it's the start of a new vlog. I'm actually having a lot more fun making these videos than I thought I would. I thought it was going to be like really stressful and overwhelming trying to film every day and edit every day and like upload, but it's actually not been that bad. Today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so I did not have to go into work this morning, which felt nice. I mean, I still woke up pretty early. It's about 8:30 right now, and I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I think I'm just gonna do a high bun. I'm trying to stay in somewhat of a routine, especially when it comes to the gym and my health and fitness, because last year I fell off, and I don't want to do that again. Like, I don't want to be as inconsistent as I was being last year. So this year I'm really pushing myself to be more consistent and going to the gym every single week, no matter if it's a holiday, a break, like whatever. Unless I physically need a break, I want to be at the gym. I kind of hate doing my hair in buns because it usually takes a lot of effort and tries, just because like I like my buns to look kind of a specific way. I think this one's okay. I'll play around with it, bobby pin it, and see if I can make it work. I think I'm gonna put on this little scrunchie on top of it. Let's go pick out an outfit. So this is the drawer with all of my like matching sets. I'm missing some because I'm actually doing laundry right now and I'm gonna have to fold, but I'm thinking I want to do this purple number from Fabletics. Let's make some breakfast. Just got out of the shower, did my hair and my makeup, and I think that I'm going to go and take some Instagram photos because I haven't done this in a while, and I figure what better way to do it than like my day off. I've already pulled some clothes on my bed. I think I'm gonna pick 2 to 3 outfits and we're gonna go take some pics. I just had to pay $3 to park in this parking garage, so these pictures better come out good. It's so cold. I think we're done with this outfit. I'm gonna change into my car and then move on to the next location. Changing in the car. It's an extreme sport, man. I have to change my clothes and change my hair and change my jewelry. There's a bug in my car. Dumb. I feel like these look so dumb. There's got to be something. All right, we're gonna try sitting. It looks kind of weird on here, but it looks okay, I think, in the camera. Oh, did I say what? Okay, no. Let's just try it and see what happens. I don't hate these. Okay, that that was not going great at first, but I think we got a couple of good shots, so I'm excited to get home and edit. I'm actually gonna change in my car one more time into some just like regular clothes because we're having Taco Tuesday on a Monday. So I gotta go to the store. I feel the hair. Have to go to the store and get all the stuff to make like our bang bang shrimp tacos, guacamole. I'm doing homemade margaritas. I've never made an alcoholic drink before, ever. I just started drinking a few months ago, so this is all like still kind of new to me, but I was like, I really want to make a strawberry or like a strawberry mango margarita, so we'll see how that goes. What happened to my avocados? I thought I had avocados here. Well, I know I had avocados here. They're not here. Found the avocados.
Ya no sabes lo que pasa. El primer verso, papi. Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco. Esto es lo que existe. Y también chamaco. Nadie nos resiste. ¿Quién no resiste? Aquí estamos bravos. La chema tan brava. Esta vida es brava. Y yo también soy bravo. Por eso lo que repica son los cueros. Aquí lo que suena fuego. Mueve la abuela el pescadero. Hasta lo mueve el aduanero. Norte al sur, lo ve moviendo. La orilla del mar, lo ve sonriendo. Y yo sé lo que tenemos no es para juego.
Now time to make mine.
Hacemos gritar, tumbarle con ritmo, le calera.
I just got back home from the gym and I have a check. This check is from Neutrogena. I hope you guys can't see my address. This check is my second check from Neutrogena. I've literally been seeing the ad just everywhere and people send it to me every day and it's just like such a surreal feeling. So they paid me initially to create the content, which I did and I already got paid for, and then they wanted to pay me for additional usage, I think of like 2 more years, so I got additional money, okay? I don't really have much to do today. I do have a video that I need to create for a brand that is due tomorrow. I'm going to fold up all these clothes. Out the shower, I am getting ready to do a video for a brand that is actually due tomorrow. So I have my tripod set up right here in front of this big window. Hello, there's a lot going on here. This is the product I'll be shooting with today. It is the Lightning Wand Dark Spot Brightening Serum from Hero Cosmetics. This is a rolling ball serum that helps brighten up dark spots. So yeah, it just gives you an all over like even skin tone and helps those post blemish marks, you know? I'm done! Now I just have to edit it and send it to them for approval. So for editing purposes, I like using the InShot app. It's like legit just my favorite app to use. So all I have to do is click the video, tell it to import, and then I can just start editing in here. So this one is actually an ad, so that means that I don't actually have to post the video. It's just content that I'm making for them to use for social media ads on their Instagram, things like that. And I honestly think those are like the best jobs because sometimes when you're constantly taking on jobs or working with brands, it can be a little bit overwhelming to your following when you're posting things that are always ads or always sponsored. So I love when brands are just like, you know, you don't have to post, but we would love to like use you for an ad for social media purposes. And I prefer that, honestly. Why do they do this so early in the morning when they know people are leaving for work and stuff? Like that don't even make no sense. Good morning. It is currently 8:30 in the morning and I am headed to, oh, my hair is in my eyelash. I am headed to a photo shoot today. It's for a local boutique here in town called Frock Candy. And fun fact, my teeny baby, Sydney, who is my Miss Louisiana Teen USA when I was Miss Louisiana USA, runs their like social media and stuff. So I get to see her and I'm so excited because I haven't seen her in months and I miss her. Just finished shooting. I am now about to head to the office because I have some paperwork to fill out. We have a recruit coming on Thursday, and this is the first recruit that I'm gonna like have on a visit by myself because my boss is out of work since she had her surgery. And I'm low-key kind of nervous because I'm just so used to doing it with my boss, like, and we do it together, and I'm doing this one all by myself. So I gotta go and like get the paperwork together for her unofficial visit and just make sure everything is good to go, create an itinerary for her so that she knows like what we're gonna do throughout the day. And then I also have a call with my graphic designer a little bit later. Alright, well, I'll get to work on this and have a great rest of your day. Guess where I am? Back at the urgent care. I have to come and get another COVID test, not a rapid one, but I have to get a PCR one because our university is asking us to put in our vaccine card into some medical website or something, and if we don't have the vaccine, then we have to have a PCR COVID test uploaded by Friday. So the nurse said it takes 24 to 48 hours for the PCR results, so I think I should be good to have it by Friday and upload it so that I don't lose my job, girl. What you got?
I got a main fillet.
What you got, Shell?
I got lobster tails.
What you got, baby?
I got the double breast of the chicken. Bree got a baked potato.
We got a baked potato.
These crab cakes good. Just came home from the gym and out of the shower, and I have a very big package. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. It's from Mazani. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. So I'm going to be, I feel like I'm not even in the camera. I'm actually going to be creating some content for Mazani over the next couple of months. So they send me a bunch of goodies, and they also sent me some stuff from their sister brand, Pureology. So I have the Pureology Hydrate conditioner and shampoo, and this is a deep conditioner. Ooh, it's a treatment mask. The Wonder Crown. I love this stuff with a passion. Like, this is my favorite pre-wash ritual that I put into my hair. Heat screen, heat protectant. I use this as well when I'm blowing out my hair. Miracle Milk leave-in, Miracle Nourishing oil. This stuff smells so good, like so good. I put this in my hair like after I wash it and I've diffused it and I just want to like get a little bit more shininess to my curls. I put this in there, and then also like if my hair is straightened or blown out, I'll put this in my hair as well. Cocoa Dew, Cocoa Dew. I love this stuff. The way that it makes my curls just pop that much more before I apply like my actual styling product, it's literally insane. I have not tried this. This is their True Textures Curl Enhancing Lotion. So this is a styler. I'm very excited to try this out and use it. This is Mazani's Scalp Care. You can use it for dry scalp, braids, or extensions. It's a calming scalp lotion. I've never used this either. I also got the 25 Miracle Cream leave-in. I use it to style my hair usually. I don't really use it as just a leave-in. I use it as a leave-in slash hair styler. Not they got edge control. It has no smell. And then it looks like we have 2 hair masks. So one is from their True Textures line. This is the Moroccan Clay Steam Mask. And this is from their Moisture Fusion line, and this is just an intense moisturizing mask. I've never tried these, but I'm super excited because they sound amazing. And honestly, every product I've tried from Mazani has just been spot on, incredible. So I don't expect anything less from these other products that I haven't tried. Okay, I just had to like open all that up, but I am now about to head to the office. I have an intern starting today, so I'm really excited because she gets to do like a whole bunch of work for me that I don't have time to do. So I'm really excited to get to meet her and introduce her to everyone and like show her the ropes and everything. So I'll have her for the entire semester, which is really great. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I ordered from Cafe Phoenicia. again. It's just my favorite place. Like, I eat here at least once a week, although they did not give me my extra pita bread, which I'm a little upset about. I'm really not doing much else for the rest of the night, but I do have a big day tomorrow because I am doing my first visit with a recruit by myself. I will not be able to bring you guys on the visit with me because confidential, but I'll definitely tell you guys about it after. Okay, so the visit with the recruit went really well. I think they really enjoyed campus, and her dad even said that I did a great job with the tour because I told them it was my first time doing it by myself, and he was like, you should be very proud. So I was like, yay! So now we just have to wait and see if she actually commits, but I think she will because she seemed to really like it. And y'all, it is freezing today. Like, it is so cold. I'm not dressed the way that I should be dressed, but then also, like, I don't really have things that keep me warm that great throughout the day, but it is extremely too cold today. Good morning. It is Saturday. My hair looks a bit crazy, but that's okay. Today is my mom's birthday. I love my mom. She is so selfless, such an amazing mom, and just like always there for me, always giving me advice. Like, I could literally ask her for anything and she'll find a way to help me and to get it done. I really don't have much planned today because it is freezing outside. Like, it is so cold. It's like 28 degrees, and that's cold. I think I'm really gonna spend the morning making TikToks, making more video content. Really, I'm just about to take a shower, do something with this hair, get ready for the day, and start making some video content. That actually looks kind of good. I just styled my hair for the first time in like forever, and I am obsessed. I love these little braids. I love the little bantu knots, and then just like the wild craziness going on back here. I love it. Back from dinner. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I immediately took my hair out. My head was hurting so bad from that hairstyle. Just spilled my water on my bed. Amazing. Alright, you guys, I know I did not vlog much like today or yesterday, or the day before that, I think. So I feel like this week was kind of a bust, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog anyway. I'm going to end it here. If you guys like my vlogs, be sure to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm also going to start posting other videos like in the middle of the week so that it'll be a vlog on Sundays and then like a different type of video during the weekday. So expect a new video coming at you very soon. Alright, you guys, I love you so much. I'm gonna take off this makeup and finish editing this vlog. Bye!